Hey all, Ankit Kishor this side for Stierfleet team and I welcome you back to my channel. So today I have not recorded any clip. Reason for that was I was playing very risk off today. Okay, and I was just having a penny trade right from the beginning. You can see yourself. मैंने थोड़ा aggressive position पहले लिया था. Then I accepted everything at 916 only. Okay, 916 में मैं पूरा का पूरा switch कर गया और उसके बाद I was just having that position only. और आप देखोगे after 3. Okay, I have placed like almost 6 7 orders out of this 33, and out of these 33 orders, 5s are rejected. So you can say 28 orders are what I have placed, and out of that 8 orders have just gone to just take the entry, and the rest 6 orders has come after 3 o'clock. So in between I have not done anything to very specific. Okay, and it was a very calm day. At least the first half was very calm, but here some move has happened. Although this didn't hurt me at all in my main accounts. Okay, first of all let me give the total number which I made today. So altogether I made 22.5k here and 20.8k here, altogether 43k for the day in main accounts. And in a small account, let me show you this also, because here also I traded non-directional only. So here I made almost 16k, but it was a roller coaster ride here. What happened here is at around 120, sorry, at around 2 o'clock I was sitting with 12k profit. Okay, right here means 150 only. मैं यहाँ पे कुछ 12k profit में था, but यहाँ in this down move everything has just faded away और I went back to break even. फिर यहाँ पे again I collected a very good decay और मैं again 12k profit में आ गया, but again in this up move I gave up everything. But after that I collected a very good decay and managed to book 16k profit on the fund size of 21 point something lakh, which is 0.8 0.75% you can take, okay, of the capital used. But what happened here is till the point here, okay, 130 something, 125 130, I was playing reserve in this account also. But here I decided, okay, let's go for the straddle, and reason for that was for complete day till here means almost 3.5 hours. Okay, straddle started with 62 63 points, and here I got the straddle at 51. So altogether decay of 12 points is what happened in the first 3.5 hours. I thought, okay, the premium looks decent now, so I should take the entry. And here when I took the entry I got a very good decay, and that's why I came to 12k profit somewhere here. But in this down move everything just went away. मैं आपको वो entry भी दिखाता हूँ. 120, yeah, somewhere here, no, not here. Yeah, मैंने यहाँ पे एंटर किया था. ओके, यू कैन सी मैंने 51 का मेरे को 51 पॉइंट्स मिले थे स्ट्रैडल पे. आई जस्ट केप्ट ऑन होल्डिंग इट एंड इट वाज गिविंग सुपर डिके, बट आफ्टर देन बट द क्वांटिटी यू कैन सी वाज जस्ट 680, राइट. बट मेरे को यहाँ पे एग्जिट बहुत ही खराब मिला बिकॉज दिस ड्रास्टिक डाउन मूव. ओके, and cause of that whatever decay I collected I just had to give it up, and then again I shifted to penny trades. Then here I again went back to aggressive trades, and that is how I managed to collect something here. Now coming back to main account, so here again I would say the same thing. I have done nothing, that's why in between I have not recorded any clip, क्योंकि ऐसा कुछ लर्निंग अटैच्ड नहीं था, ना ही मैंने वैसा कुछ प्लान किया था कि मैं अग्रेसिवली मैनेज करूंगा. नथिंग लाइक दैट. आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग ऑफ कि एज लेस एडजस्टमेंट एज आई कैन डू, आई जस्ट प्लान टू डू दैट. ओके, बिकॉज it won't make sense to anyone if, see, the premium at the beginning, I'm talking about ATM, was just 62. Okay, so it was not making sense to me to get aggressive there because the risk reward was not at all good. So that's why मैंने ऐसा plan किया. But still on this position sizing of 1960 I collected like 12 points of decay. Okay, 11.5 points of decay, which is very good on such a day where premium is not at all there. So I have no complaint, so to say. Okay, and yeah, that's all from my end, and I hope all the analysis and adjustment that I'm sharing with you, you are learning something from them. And if you do, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and bye bye.